There's nothing worse than walking into your home and being hit with an unpleasant smell, or having guests over and noticing their noses twitching. Luckily, there are loads of great ways to keep your house smelling fresh all the time. From the hallway to the kitchen, let's go through 12 easy ways to make your home smell amazing. Number 1. Keep your house clean. This one might seem obvious, but keeping your home clean is the foundation of a fresh-smelling space. Odours build up when things aren't cleaned regularly, so staying on top of it is key. Pay special attention to your bins. They can start to stink quickly if they're not emptied and cleaned often. Carpets and rugs can also hold on to smells, so give them a deep clean now and then. Try setting up a cleaning schedule that includes vacuuming carpets, rugs and sofas regularly. If you have pets or allergies, consider a vacuum with a HEPA filter to trap dust, hair and other allergens. Hard floors need regular sweeping and mopping to stop odours from lingering. And don't forget your bedding. Wash your sheets and pillowcases often to keep everything fresh. If you're drying laundry indoors, make sure there's good ventilation, or you'll end up with musty smells. Decluttering also helps. Old, unused items can trap odours or block airflow around your home. Number 2. Eliminate pet smells. We love our furry friends, but let's be honest, they can be a little smelly. Regular grooming and bathing are a must to keep pet odours at bay. Use pet shampoos designed to neutralise smells rather than just masking them. Wash your pet's bedding frequently and consider using an odour neutralising spray. And if you've got a pet that sheds, vacuuming more often will help keep things fresh. A pet air purifier is another great option. It helps remove pet allergens and odours from the air. Number 3. Simmer pots. Want your home to smell like a cosy autumn day or a fresh summer morning? A simmer pot is a super easy way to fill your home with a gorgeous scent. Just fill a pot with water and add things like cinnamon sticks, citrus peels, cloves or fresh herbs. Let it simmer on the stove, and as the water evaporates, it'll release a lovely aroma throughout your home. Experiment with different ingredient combos to find your perfect scent. Number 4. Scented candles and incense. There's something really comforting about the warm glow of a scented candle. Choose high-quality candles made from natural waxes like soy or beeswax. They tend to smell cleaner than paraffin ones. Pick a scent that suits the vibe you want, whether it's relaxing lavender, cozy vanilla or fresh citrus. Light them in different rooms to spread the fragrance evenly. Incense sticks or cones can also add a lovely calming scent to your space. Just be sure to place them safely and never leave them unattended. Number 5. Air fresheners. Some people aren't fans of store-bought air fresheners, but they can be a quick fix when you need one. They come in sprays, plug-ins and automatic dispensers, so you can choose what works best for you. If you prefer a more natural option, look for plant-based air fresheners, or make your own by mixing essential oils with water in a spray bottle. That way you can control the scent and the intensity to suit your space. Number 6. Plants and flowers. Not only do they make your home look lovely, but certain plants also smell amazing. Lavender, jasmine, eucalyptus and rosemary are great choices for naturally freshening your space. Keep small herb gardens in the kitchen with basil, mint or thyme. They'll smell lovely and come in handy for cooking. Fresh flowers are another great option. Roses, lilies and hyacinths all have strong, beautiful scents. Just make sure to take care of them properly, or they can start to smell bad. Number 7. Remove old food. Nothing ruins a fresh-smelling home like lingering food odours. Check your fridge and pantry regularly for expired or spoiled food. Overripe fruit and veg can give off strong smells, so keep an eye on them. Clean up cooking spills and wipe down surfaces with vinegar or a gentle cleaner. And don't forget to empty and disinfect your bins often. Scented bin liners can help too. Number 8. open the windows. One of the easiest and most effective ways to freshen up your home is to simply let in some fresh air. A house with no airflow can start to feel musty, so crack open some windows whenever you can. Even in the colder months, a little bit of fresh air makes a big difference. If possible, open windows on opposite sides of the house to create a cross breeze. This helps to push out stale air and bring in fresh air more quickly. Number 9. Essential oils. Essential oils are a fantastic natural way to make your home smell great. Add a few drops to an essential oil diffuser and let it spread a beautiful scent throughout the room. If you don't have a diffuser, mix a few drops with water in a spray bottle for a homemade air freshener. Lavender is great for relaxation, while lemon or peppermint are more energizing scents. Number 10. Baking and cooking. Few things smell as good as freshly baked bread or warm cinnamon biscuits. Use spices like cinnamon, nutmeg or cardamom when baking to create a welcoming scent. Cooking with fragrant herbs like basil or rosemary also fills the kitchen with lovely aromas. You can even make a stovetop potpourri by simmering herbs, spices and citrus peels in water. Number 11. Air purifiers. An air purifier doesn't just remove dust and allergens, it can also help get rid of odours. Look for one with an activated carbon filter, which is great for neutralising smells. Just make sure to clean or replace the filter regularly to keep it working effectively. Number 12. Linen sprays. Linen sprays are an easy way to keep fabrics like bedding, curtains and upholstery smelling fresh. Make your own by mixing water with a few drops of essential oil or fragrance oil. Lightly mist your linens and enjoy the fresh scent that lingers. There are also plenty of store-bought options if you'd rather buy one ready-made. And that's it. 12 simple ways to keep your home smelling fresh and inviting. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you've already used or which ones you're excited to try. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.